Hi, I'm Rob Cosman. Welcome to my shop. We are 10 days away from our Purple Heart Project workshop that starts on May 6th. So the place is a little bit messy, but let me show you. We're almost ready. This is our classroom. Now we still have some trim work to do. We've got our, we're still working on benches. We have, I think, 6 bench tops to finish. We got the bases done, got them sprayed today. We had, our floor was re-poured, and we've got a nice finish on it. The lights are all in place. The electrical, there'll be an electrical plug on top of everybody's bench to power their lamp. Come on around. Everybody's got nice cushy mats, sharpening station on the end of their bench. We tore our bathrooms all apart. It's not quite finished, but we've got the commode in. There's a shower going in, a big sink on the side, nice and airy. We're putting a little kitchen in here. We're going to feed. We are going to provide the food for the evening meal and lunch for our students. This will be our showroom out here, but this is where it all happens. This is where the magic happens in here. 14 students for 5 days. We run the class we try to get here at 8 in the morning and we stay until 10:30, 11 o'clock at night. We don't go out. We have lunches here, as I mentioned. We have supper here, and it's brutal. We cover, Monday is sharpening, and we get them using a hand plane immediately on Monday. Tuesday is dovetails, we start on through dovetails. Wednesday we learn to dimension lumbers, take it from rough to a finished state, flat, smooth, and square on 6 surfaces. Thursday we're working on a little small project, but this is mostly a technique class. But what they will do is they'll build a little bench hook. So it involves dimensioning of the lumber and through dovetails on the front and on the back. So that'll be worked on Thursday. Friday is saved for mortise and tenon work, and then we wrap up Friday night. So if you're interested, our next class that's not full is scheduled for October 13th. There's 2 spots left. We've already sold out October 7th, and then we'll do it again next April 2020. May of 2020. You go to my website, RobCosman.com, all the information is on there. And if you know any combat wounded veterans, we do this primarily as a service to them. It helps with PTSD. All they have to do is go to our site, RobCosman.com. On the top, on the banner at the top, on the left, the first thing says PHP, Purple Heart Project, the drop-down menu. Colonel Luther's got tons of information in there. Everything you need to apply. Primarily, they need to be honorably discharged or still active duty. They need to be able to get into Canada, so it means no criminal record. And they need to write about a half a page telling us their story. That's the only way we can make the decision. We sit down twice a year and go through all these applications and try to, like triage, decide who needs the help the most. So please help us find somebody. See you soon.